Glorilla had to pop off on social media because people kept talking about her new face again. And I'm not even gonna lie, this is the third time I done seen Glorilla and her face looked a little different. The first time people talked about it, they were saying that they felt like she got a nose job, and she basically confirmed that she did get a nose job. Some people started talking about her face again, saying that she got facial balancing done. She said that she did not get facial balancing.
Don't blame his facial balance on me, okay? Just say it's cute, because I didn't do no facial balance. You just wanted my nose job to look up, and it settled in, and I look good, and now y'all mad, and now y'all saying that I got everything done. You just have to give some time. It take time to heal. Y'all ready to talk about a bitch. And then the motherfucker settled in. Now y'all talking about a bitch got X, Y, and Z done to their face. It's still big. It just settled.
So this time she decided to clap back at these rumors again, and she says, so did any of you females get a raise for trying to figure out why B looked so beautiful yesterday? Rent paid, anything? Or y'all just hashtag that mad that a be gorgeous for free? Let me know in the comments. And she responded to this one person that said, nobody mad, we just remembered how you looked. She commented and said, are we getting paid for remembering that? Why does it matter so much to you? And I mean, a lot of people of course have their thoughts and opinions. They feel like Glow is changing. She already got her nose done, so people feel like she keeps messing with her face because every time Glorilla posts a new picture or video, sis looks completely different, okay? But anyways, moving on to the next topic. You guys know that Jayda and her old friend Emily ended up going back and forth on social media, and Emily has been spilling some tea, okay? So Emily had accused Jayda of sleeping with Travis Scott. She posted on Instagram story and said, stop calling me a fan, you wanted to be my friend. You are projecting because you steady repost Kylie and the Kardashians, but you effing Travis Scott. Tell him how you were just trying to get snuck in the back door, booby trap, trying to spy on him. No, for real, stop, this is annoying. And she also claims that Lil Baby slapped Jayda's sister, Jasmine. She said Jayda slowed down, a low down. Did you forget you told me you didn't want to look like a fan by messaging me when you moved to Atlanta? So you bought furniture from my family furniture store because you wanted to be friends. She also said, since you like to tell your piss first, why didn't you tell them how you were dating two men at the same time? One was locked up, one lived in Atlanta. They found out about each other and your HOEs wanted to keep both, so you pillow talked about both of them to each other and started a whole street drama series between real life street-ish nobody has any business being in. Keep bringing up a white girl this and white girl that. Whoop-de-doo. Yes, I am white. I'm also from Atlanta. I know better than to get into street-ish, or how you tried to set me up at Blue Flame. That's why I really got away from you. You're dangerous, crazy that your cat isn't even the most dangerous part about you. Oh yeah, don't get me started with the part of the stories, LMFAO. She continues and says, girl, you suck, you know what, that slapped the F out of your sister, but I guess that's normal in your family. Y'all are all slow. Just STF you too, please. You didn't even know who your baby daddy was until the baby came out. Poor little baby. I'm not about to keep arguing with y'all duck country behinds. You know I know everything from the beginning, so let this one go. But yes, she was spilling a lot of tea, and some people feel like if Jayda was sleeping with Travis Scott, Kylie and Travis are not married, so it doesn't matter. And the simple fact that Lil Baby slapped Jasmine, I wonder what happened with that. She also talked about how Jayda and Jasmine got into a fight, and Jayda maced Jasmine and all kinds of things, and Jasmine basically said that's her sister, and she don't care what she does, she's going to defend her sister.
I Glow debuting a new face. Now, I don't know if this is Facetune or not, but Glow popped up on X this morning and she is looking good and refreshed. At this point, I think she might be trolling us because you know how they say somebody is going blow for blow with someone else? She is going nip for tuck with other girls in the industry. Or should I say face for face, if you know what I'm saying? You asked me, Glow has been fairly open with the procedures that she has gotten done. She fessed up to her rhinoplasty, but she did deny getting facial balancing. No, y'all do the comparisons, honey. The face looks balanced to me, child. I was definitely clocking her in the comments, and everything from she was a clone to she was doing too much to it was getting scary. Really, I like the changes that she has made. I said, I think that this might be Facetune. She went under the knife again, but if she did, that's her prerogative, it's her life and it's her body. I'm curious to know what y'all think regarding this. I need to know if y'all feel like that video by Glorilla is heavily Facetune, or if y'all think she might have...
The only thing y'all ever got to say about Jayda Wade is that she steals your designs and your websites and your distributors and your production teams. But she don't care about that. So what else y'all got? Girl, and I hope your name is Emily because I did not go back to see. Now, Emily, an ex-friend of Jayda Wade, had recently come forward after all of the backlash between what's going on with Jayda Wade and somebody by the name of Super Peach. Now, remember, yesterday we had covered the dispute between Super Peach. She had made some off-slighted joke about Jayda Wade. Jayda Wade responds, and then she took to the internet. Now, you can pause to read these text messages that were in Super Peach's IG story. It was basically her DMing back and forth with Jayda Wade's mom, and Jayda Wade's mom asking Super Peach if she could follow her sons back on social media, I guess to be able to build engagement for them. And you can pause to read. Here's the rest of them. And then you can pause to read this. This was her response yesterday. Go ahead, pause to read that. Okay, yes, her name is Emily. Okay, so Emily had left this comment. Now, you can pause to read it. You don't have to. I'm going to read it for you. It's in regard to her and Jayda Wade's friendship basically deteriorating over the fact that Jayda Wade had stolen basically her entire production and design. Now, you can pause to read it because she said, you literally stole my lip gloss vendors, the color scheme, packaging, concept, hired my project manager, consultant. It goes on. She goes on to say right here is that I'm keeping it cute, but you're doing too much. Now, after Emily had left that comment, she then proceeded to post Jayda Wade's Finsta comments. Okay, you guys, my neck literally just went out, so forgive me. So, Emily posted these comments, and in the comment under Jayda Wade's Finsta, she says, Emily is dizzy. She must not know that she had the whole of Atlanta, and then there's a eggplant emoji. Hold on. In her mouth when we was cool. I would have never found love if I kept being her friend she talked to every damn body. Good night. Now Jayda continues to post on her Finsta account and says, okay, let's be nice, referring to finding love with Lil Baby. She said it maybe wasn't the right love, but it did give me the handsome son out of it, so a win is a win. Now, if the ladies got anything else to say, I'm gonna keep y'all posted. I need to go ice my neck.
Man, so let's say Glorilla is going viral for her new stunning look. You look in the comments, there's a lot of people talking shit about her. Some people saying she don't look like the same person and she should have loved herself. I ain't gonna lie, one thing I realized about people, y'all full of shit. She first came out and popped on the scene, people was bullying this woman for her looks. Y'all bully her so bad for no reason, even about her nose. As soon as she changed it and get surgery, y'all still talk shit about her. Talking about she should have loved herself. She probably would love herself if y'all wasn't talking shit so much. I don't think it's nothing wrong with surgery. People just be hating on what other people do. A woman or a man out there, bro, and that's what you want to do with your life by getting surgery, ain't nothing wrong with it. Majority of people would do the same shit if they had the money. I don't care how much everybody try to act like they love the skin that they in. Everybody out here got insecurities. I don't care who you is or what you think like, we all got something we don't like. All that fake trying to act like y'all perfect stuff is crazy. Like I always say, if you got the money to do it, do it. You gotta live with yourself for the rest of your life, not these people. Facts.
For this new look on her Instagram story, and it had me unpacking why there is the fascination of changing one's look, especially through plastic surgery or any type of augmentation. Other than the push towards ethnocentric beauty standards, especially within entertainment, I think that there is also an addiction to the attention that it brings. Everyone right now is going to be talking about how she looks, whether they like it or not, the fact that they couldn't recognize her, all of these different things, right? I will add in, this isn't to say this is why Glorilla did it, but this is just one of other theories that I have. Like, I just think about the need for press and entertainment, the need to have people talk about you in some way, to always have the people talking, always have the attention on you, and what things like plastic surgery, Botox, filler brings to the table. I think this is especially relevant once celebrities gain more fame, because once you get that fame,